Hi everyone, welcome back. I'm Nico's dad and we just got done with a feeding, so I just wanted to go over a few techniques with burping him. So my favorite is to bring him up to about my chest, shoulder height. And the key here is bring your chest and shoulder to him, bring him back, and then you want to make sure his spine is flat, and then just some soft pats. Trying to see if we can get one here. I don't think he's burped yet, but another key is just to keep him moving around. Another one that I like to do is, it looks uncomfortable, but you make kind of a V with your hands, bring him over, and then kind of at a 45-degree angle, just up, smooth and up, and just soft pats. And then another one that I like to do, it's a kind of basically just like you're holding him, make kind of like a V with your arm, have him upright, and then you can see my right hand here, just these soft pats. So I hope this was helpful in just trying to figure out getting some burps out of your baby and just making sure that they're comfortable. We'd love to have you guys along, so feel free to like and subscribe. Thanks so much.